Hey guys, welcome everybody to another video from Bulls to the Wall Trading. Sorry for the absence. I've been out for a couple of days celebrating my birthday. Thank you for everybody that has wished me a happy birthday and that has reached out. Sorry for not making any videos. That's why I haven't been making them. I was out of town. I'm glad to be back, and I'm ready to go over some stocks and some strategies here. Before I get into the video, as always, I just want to let you guys know that I do have a website, bullstothewalltrading.com. I have a lot of cool information on there. I have an investing course that's available on there. I have a free newsletter that you can receive. All I would need is your permission to send you that newsletter through your email. So I would need your email address. And I also have a way that you can contact me if you want to do maybe some one-on-one sessions. If you want to do, if you just want a way to contact me, you can do that. So through that website as well, bullstothewalltrading.com. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Bulls to the Wall. And I have a free chat room through the Discord app. I will leave the link in the description of this video so you can check that out as well. As always, I'm not a financial planner or a financial advisor, so anything that I discuss in these videos is just for educational purposes and educational reasons. So please do your own research before you invest. One thing about me is that I'm not here to tell you guys which stocks to invest in, which stocks you should buy, which stocks you should trade. I'm more about empowering you so you can learn how to find stocks so you can make that choice by yourself. There's many ways of trading. So I'm only going to go over strategies that have worked for me. Please understand that just because a strategy works for me does not mean that it's going to work for you. So just keep that in mind that there's many different ways of trading, and maybe my way might not work for you, and that's totally fine. You just have to find something that works for you. As far as my videos, I do day trading first, and then I go into swing trading. So we're going to jump into day trading first and take a look at the stocks that I'll be watching tomorrow. All right, so as far as day trading, the way that I like to trade is I like to trade momentum. What does that mean? That means I like to look at stocks that had a nice move to the upside today. So basically what it means is a stock had a nice move to the upside today, and I'm hoping for that momentum to carry over till tomorrow or to tomorrow. So what do I look for? I look like something like a chart like this, and this is my first one on my watch list. AUY. So this stock had a nice little jump up right before the market closed. So what I like to do is I always like to find a stock like this and identify the high of day, which is $2.83. You can see that there. My next move is to draw a resistance line at that point at $2.83. Now, what we want to happen is for the price of this stock to break above $2.83 with a good amount of volume. And once the stock does that, if it does break above $2.83, it's essentially breaking new ground. So that's telling you that the momentum from today might carry over till tomorrow, to tomorrow. So if it does break above 283, that's basically what it's signaling. So if it does break above 283 with good volume, it could give us an opportunity to get in, and hopefully that means that the stock is going to go up. I say hopefully because nothing's guaranteed. And a lot of people, they see the move happen and they see the volume and they throw everything they have at it, thinking that they're going to get rich. And you got to understand that nothing's guaranteed. Just because the stock does what we want it to do, it does not mean that it's going to jump up $2 and make you, I don't know, 5 grand in like 5 seconds. You got to understand that just because everything happens the way we want it to, it doesn't mean that it's going to go up a lot. It could just go up maybe to $2.90 and then just come right back down. So you got to be aware of this. You got to know that that can happen. So I always stress to you guys that you have a backup plan. So the setup could be perfect, but in the end, you never really know what's going to happen. So you have to be ready for anything. The next one is SNAP, which is Snapchat. Okay, and same situation. This stock kind of had a nice little rise up. It reached a new high after the market closed at $6.70. So that's where I will draw my line. And as you can see right here, it's currently at $6.69. So this one most likely will cross above $6.70 when the market is closed. So tomorrow we might have a new high. If that happens, you will just draw a new resistance line at the high of the pre-market. And then we will do the same thing. We want the price to break above that high of the day or the pre-market, wherever that line is. And then we will say to ourselves, we want the price to cross above that line with good volume, and then we could get in. Again, you've got to understand that nothing is guaranteed. And if you're day trading, stocks move very, very fast. They change price very, very fast. So if you're new to this, if you don't really have a good grasp on how fast day trading is and how intense it is, you might just want to watch it one day just so you see if it's for you. Because if you're not careful, if you answer the phone or if you're texting somebody, you could miss an opportunity. Or even if you invested and you go to the bathroom, you could lose a lot of money in a couple of minutes. So just a suggestion for you to watch from the sidelines if you don't know what you're doing. The next one is FLEX. All right, so this is a good looking chart. As you can tell, this stock was basically doing nothing and then it shot up. Most likely it had some good news, and that's why it had this jump up. So where is the high of day? It happened right here at $10.80. That's where we draw our line, and nothing changes. We always identify the high of day, and we always want the same thing to happen. A break above the high of day with good volume, and that could signal a move to the upside. Again, always have a backup plan, always have a strategy just in case things don't go your way. And for those new viewers or for those people that don't really know what it is that they're looking at, you don't know how to read candlesticks or moving averages or anything, if you're not familiar with any of this, again, check out my website, Bulls While Trading. I have some information on there that you could find helpful. So those are the only three that I have for day trading. Before I move to my swing trading watch list, I just want you guys to know that I use a 1 day, 5-minute setup when I am day trading. And for swing trading, I changed that to a 1 year, 1 day setup. So we were just looking at a 1 day chart. Now we're looking at an entire year. So the first one that I have for swing trading is NBEV. And this is one that I've had for several days. And the reason I have it is because, as you can see, this stock is trading into a funnel basically. And at some point, it's going to break out either to the upside or to the downside. So me, I'm a bull. I don't short anything. So I want this to break above to the upside. So this week, most likely, or maybe early next week, it will decide what it wants to do. And let me draw some new lines here. So it'll look something maybe like this. So at some point, it's going to break above or down. And that's when a lot will be determined, if it's going to go to the upside and make bulls money, or if it's going to go to the downside and make bears money. So it's going to have to make up its mind pretty soon. So keep watch on this one, because whatever it does, it could be a good move. And the next one is ESV. And for this one, ESV, I am looking for a bounce play. What do I mean by that? I mean that I'm looking for this stock to rebound off a previous support line, which is this blue line that I have drawn right here. And I guess I could extend it a little bit right here. So basically what I want is for this stock to keep coming down and bounce off of this blue line that I have drawn. Why do I want it to bounce off of there? Because it's bounced there in the past, right here and right here, and even right here. So I want this stock to come down more, and if it gives me the right signal that it's bouncing, my theory would be that it's bouncing back up, because in the past it's bounced there several times. So we're looking at this chart and we're basing our theory on history, on what it's done previously. So that is why I am looking at this stock. Those are the only two that I have. I know it's a short video. I didn't have anything to go over. I usually do, but I don't today. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Please support the channel. Make sure you hit that bell so you know when I do go live with these videos. Check out the website, bullsflowwhile trading.com. Check out the chat room. I'll leave the link in the description of the video. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. That's it, guys. Thanks so much. Thanks so much for watching, and have a good night.